Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a Google account and a local Jupyter setup. First, open your terminal, install the extension Jupyter HTTP over WS so Colab can tunnel commands. Next, enable the extension and start your Jupyter server with the Allow Origin flag set to Colab. Make sure to include Notebook app, port, and a secure token. Once done, copy the server URL with token. This is the key you will paste into Colab to link the session. Now switch to Google Colab. Choose Connect, then connect to local runtime. You will see a prompt requesting the Jupyter server URL. Paste the full URL you copied earlier, including the token. Colab attempts a WebSocket connection. If successful, the runtime status changes to connected. Run a simple Python cell to verify packages and file access. If the cell executes, you are working on your local kernel through Colab's interface, enabling hardware differences and familiar packages. Finish by securing your token and confirming your firewall allows outbound WebSocket traffic. If you need persistent access, consider a static port and secure tunnel. If Colab cannot connect, first restart the Jupyter server and retry the URL, then reload Colab. One key troubleshooting tip: if connections fail, check browser extensions or corporate proxies blocking WebSockets, disable or bypass them temporarily. Once resolved, you'll have the responsiveness of local compute with Colab's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.